No, you can't. It's like freaking.
Oh, this is fabulous dance
And
parties.
she pumped your gas. Oh my god.
I pumped her
No,
gas.
it was way better than that.
It
It wasn't that good. She was pretty. She was like.
Corey, come dance with me.
Oh my god, what number was this?
My nut hurts though. Ladies, number 3.
I've had like cock.
Oh my god.
Listen to my story a lot. It's a good story.
Oh,
And I've
story!
never-
Story! Shut up! Harry,
Story.
story!
I've never told the story before, except for my dad. But yeah,
I feel touched.
I was there. No, it was pretty badass. And me and my friend John went down there for a night because we were gonna go gamble and shit. Whatever. And it was an excuse for him to go with his wife. Whatever. So I had like $20 bill and I fucking held it up there and the bitch started riding my fucking fingers. I'm not even joking, dude. Like ass like that and shit. And I was like, what the fuck is going on here, right? And she fucking comes down. She's like fucking. After that, she came down and talked to us and stuff. She was hanging out. Just like, well, me and my friends are going back to this hotel, blah blah blah. So me and John went back there. It was fucking badass. And we went back there and fucking. I didn't fuck any of the girls. I was way too drunk. And I snorted way too much cocaine. I ended up just in the bathroom, like puking, like water from the cocaine. I guess John had like a threesome with them. And I came out in the morning and there was these 2 strippers next to him. He's like, oh, like that, all laid out, this chest hair all out. I was like, his underwear on the TV. I was like, yeah, I've been convulsing in the bathroom for the past 6 hours, so we better get back to Washington where I can pump my own gas.
Wait, all of this happened at a gas station?
Yes, a stripper. A strip club slash gas station. No. What the hell is it called? The Rowdy?
Awesome!
The
Chicken
Rowdy
and gas.
Bonnie or something like that. It was like one of 2 strip clubs in Oregon. Everyone else there was like, it's like a bunch of roads, and the fucking freeway is like a fucking Mario Andretti fucking racetrack.
The freeways in Texas are all like everything on this side is one way, and everything on that side is one way. So if you want to go to fucking Ross, and you're at fucking Kohl's, you gotta get on the freeway and drive like in this big dumbass square.
Big dumbass square?
Dumbass square. No, more like a rectangle.
Okay. I got you. Oval. With one.
And they do the best dance move ever.
Okay. Rectangle curve.